Exercise is the source of nutrients, the source of healing. If we know how to rest, if we know how to balance yourself daily, and the healing is happen naturally. How do you heal yourself? If we know how to rest, if we know how to balance yourself daily, and the healing is happen naturally. Exercise is the source of nutrients, the source of healing. So if you know how to balance yourself, you know how to exercise daily, you know how to rest the body and your mind, and you already have yourself to have a space in your body, the space in your mind to heal naturally. The healing elements always there. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to move your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. Every movement you breathe in, every movement you breathe out, and you recognize that you have this body. And then you can stretch your palm in, out, inhale, exhale. That's so wonderful. Put your hands on your hips and then you can relax your lower back and your hips. Breathe in, out, in, out. Do reverse. That's so wonderful. May open your palms, breathe in deep, out, slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. And then you can stand by 2 feet form the V shape, and also 2 legs, 2 hands also form V shape like this. Visualize yourself like a tree rooted to the earth. Feel solid and free. There is nothing to worry about. Just breathe in and out and be yourself. Feel the earth with you. Next one we call the hand folded border curving. So 2 palms joined together, your 2 thumbs is crossed together, okay? Breathe in, you lift your folded hand up, bend your head backwards, okay? Until your middle fingers touch your center of your forehead, okay? Down here. In, bend your head backwards, breathe out, bend your head forward. Allow yourself to reach as far as you can, okay? The best is fingers can touch the earth in the center of your 2 feet, okay? Like that. Keep your knees straight, okay? Inhale up. Bend your head backwards. Breathe out, bend your head forward. Allow your lower back relax and your neck relax, okay? In deep. Out slow. Let it go. Worries and tensions, anxieties down to the earth, okay? Let the earth embrace you. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Relax your lower back. Relax your hands and your neck. One more time. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms deep. Breathe out slow. Release tensions from your lower back and your chest. So you can put one hand on your lower abdomen, another hand outside. So you can do massage movements. Massage your lower abdomen to circulate the blood and chi with the belly, on the belly. have your stomach, have your digest system healthy. Okay, you can press a little bit, move with a clockwise direction. Breathe in, out. Feel the blood and chi flowing good with your lower abdomen. Okay, massage your two palms together. And side by side. The other side. And then massage your face, okay? Breathe in. Relax your face, refresh yourself. That's so wonderful. And then you can massage your lower back. Okay, two hands massage lower back and go down your two legs and go to front. So you can do 3 rounds like that. Breathe in, out, and relax your legs and your lower back. And then you can massage beside your two hands. Right hand. One more time. Open your palms deep. Out, slow.